Okay guys, a little windy out here. I almost had a panic attack. I stopped to get my oil changed, right? And found a Walmart. Ooh, ooh. So I take Sammy for a walk. And when I came back, it was ready. I was the last person that was allowed today. Last car at 11:30. No, 10:30. I don't understand. Anywho, I walk out to the car and I see this, like, part of a bush hanging onto my back tire. And I thought, oh no, it found me. The tumbleweed that was trying to attack me last night at the gas station found me, and it's attached to my tire, so I'm afraid to pull it out. So I come and get the camera, go back to film it, right? Because, you know, it's gone. So I'm thinking, oh, thank you, Jesus, for not letting it puncture my tire. Oh my gosh. Those things are scary. I mean, I had a stare down with one yesterday. I was so scared I didn't even film it. The wind was blowing. I was coming out of the Jack in the Box drive-thru because I had to get a drink. It's now full of water, by the way. And right blocking my way is this tumbleweed. And it kept moving back and forth, moving back and forth. I'm thinking, oh shit, you know. Oh my God. It finally moved out of the way so I could get out of the drive-thru. But those things are terrifying to me now. Ugh. Did they get... Okay, yeah, they put it in. So, got my oil changed. So you guys don't have to worry. Don't have to worry at all. And let's see. At some point today, because I don't think they check radiators with your oil change. I'm thinking they don't. Let me check. Check, 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 check. Oh, they check my transmission fluid. But no radiator, so I'll have to do that myself. No big deal. You just open up the overflow valve and put it in that way. Never, ever, ever open the radiator by the cap. No. I've seen too many people get burned. I mean, their face is just blistered right up from opening that cap and all that hot liquid pouring right in your face. One time I was at my Aunt Katie and Uncle Duck's house, and they, you know, the radiator was hot, and go ahead. Oh my God, you need two lanes to turn right. Whoa. Anyway, Uncle Duck had to check the radiator, and I guess he wasn't thinking or anything, and this street, he was standing back, but you know, God, you don't do that. But this was in the early 60s. I'm not sure if people caught on by then. But there was a stream coming out of the radiator. It had to be 5 feet. It was like a geyser. It was. And it scared me to death. And ever since then, you know, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Just fill the overflow container. So that's my tip for today. Anyway, take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo. Okay, I have no idea how to get back out on the interstate. What the hell? South is okay, I guess I gotta go. Pollo Loco. Crazy chicken restaurant. That's always fun. Oh, by the way, my stomach is still okay. It's been an hour since I ate that tamale, and it's still down. I haven't got an upset stomach or anything, so woo, go me. Alright, well, I gotta figure out how to get back on 14 towards LA. LA! We love it! Never mind, it's from an old movie. Oh, maybe I can go down that street. I was trying to get a close-up and personal view of those big windmill things. Whatever the hell they're called. Get up here. Yeah. Go down this road. Woohoo. Uh-oh. Try not to run your car going down the ditch, dumbass. Okay, backing up. See, it's not all, everything works out perfect all the time. Sometimes you have to back it up. Okay, alright, now I can get out that way. Having fun? Oh, God. I don't know, but that kind of looks like it might be a prison. Hush, no one cares. Okay, this is the closest I've ever gotten to one, except for when they was hauling it down the interstate. And then that looks even small. Maybe they pieced the fans together. I don't know. But right, to give you an idea how big these things are, right there, that little black spot, it's a tower, a guard tower. That's cool. Anyway, alright, I'm out of here. Take it easy. Take the long way home. Ooh, traffic's picking up. Quick little story. Someone said the other day that I wasn't smart enough to use my GPS on my phone, okay? So this is for you, Mr. Smarty Pants. I asked Google how to get to 14 South. It said it couldn't find it. Okay? So I said, okay, tell me how to get to Los Angeles from here. And it takes me, what happened was I got off on a thing to have my oil changed, and there wasn't an entrance ramp. I don't know. Crazy. If you have an exit, you should have an entrance. Anyway, it says, okay, go down this road for 7 miles. So I go down the road for 7 miles. I'm thinking it's like 301 or one of them windy roads that follow the interstate, right? So I play along. And then it says take a right and go 1 mile. And then it said take another right and go 7 miles. I'm thinking, what the hell? It ended up taking me 15 miles back around to almost where I was, 1 block over, so I could get on the entrance route. I'm thinking, really? You took me 15 miles out of my way to, you couldn't just say, hey, go back a block and you can get on there. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm not the stupid one. The GPS is the stupid one. Oh, okay. All right. Later.